Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce the intelligent tent planting growing system to you. It's suitable for home growing. A complete kit includes a grow tent, the lights, ventilation system with carbon filter, duct fan and clip fan, and irrigation system. We use 8 growing buckets and drip irrigation mode in this planting system. You can also choose tidal irrigation or atomized hydroponic system. Now I'm going to introduce the main intelligent control system. A smart socket connects to carbon dioxide tank, air pump, and submersible pump. The carbon dioxide sensor, temperature, humidity sensor, and PPFD sensor inside the tent shows the current temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide concentration, and the light intensity. This is illumination setting. Tap the screen to turn on and off the grow light. Set operating time and cycle mode. And it can simulate sunrise and sunset to provide proper sufficient light. You can freely change the PPFD. The light intensity is controlled according to the PPFD value required by the plant. Then let's turn to other device settings. The first one is to control the fan. It can automatically adjust the on and off of the fan according to the temperature inside the tent. That is to say, if the temperature is higher than the set value, it automatically turns on the fan. You can also easily control the air pump, submersible pump, and carbon dioxide. Based on the previous settings, we can see that PPFD value is changing toward 500. Thanks for your watching.